Okay everyone, so now we are going to discuss a program and creating the application, and here we will learn option explicit on and off and what is the meaning of that. So first of all we are going to the file, then afterward new project. In the Windows we are creating the Windows form application, and here we are giving certain name. Let's say option explicit. So this is the name of the project we are giving, then press OK. Now here we are having the form, and on the right hand side in the solution explorer we are having the name of project option explicit. Now in this form what I am doing, I am dragging and dropping a button. Now let's say I want to change the name of this button, so I will click on the button, go to the properties, and in the text I will change. Let's say I am making it as click. Now I want to change the name of form as well, so I will click on the form, go to the properties, and here I will simply give the name, any name you can provide. Let's say I'm giving my name here, so the form name I have given. Now I'm double clicking on this button, so you can see that the coding of button is available. Now what I want to do, let's say I want to take two variables. We know that there is a specific line dim a comma b as integer. So this is the line by which we declare the integer variable, but let's say I'm not declaring. Now what I want, I am simply writing a equal to, you can see that it is not giving me the option to write. So first of all I am doing the declaration. Let's say dim a comma b as integer. Now this is the normal way we are going to declare the two variables. I may say that the value of a may be 10 and the value of b, let's say 20. Now I can take them. Now afterward I can display, let's say MSG box. In the bracket I can say that sum is. So I am giving them the sum of them. Sum is. Afterward I am just putting the concatenation operator and a plus b. So this is what I am doing. So this is the simple program. That means if I click on the button, what is going to happen? This code is running, two variables will be declared and their values will be assigned 10 and 20, and message box will be displayed. So I'm just running this program. Afterward we are having this form. If I click over there, a message box will come and giving the sum as 30. So click off the button. Here we are having two variables declared, a and b, then their sum is displayed in the message box. This is the normal functioning of the program. Now let's say I am doing certain changes here. I don't want to write this line. I am removing it. I am deleting it. Again clicking back. Now you see so many errors are coming here. You can see that a is not declared, b is not declared. So these are the errors which are coming, right? A not declared, B not declared. So these all are becoming redundant because AB, they are having the underline. Now the compiler of .NET is constantly checking all the program. Means whatever I am writing, .NET program is going to check it. So that is the part of compiler, that it is going to check everything. But I don't want .NET compiler to look after my program. Any program I make, I don't want to give me the suggestions. So for that we are having an option here. So if I will go to the top, we know that top is the global. So in the global I'm going to write here, let's say option explicit. So this is the option explicit, and if I make it off, now see what is going to happen. If I make the option explicit off, you can see that it is not going to give me the errors or the warnings. So this is only because of this option explicit off. Now compiler is not going to check every time and looking after me that yes, this is the problem or that is the problem. Now I'm going to run this. So here if I am running, you can see that after clicking the message box is coming. So some of the problems can be ignored by this thing, but yeah, the major things obviously cannot be taken, but yeah, some of the things we can ignore from here, and we are saying the compiler to do not give me all the options, so that is called option explicit off, and by default this option is on. So we know that if this option is on, .NET compiler is going to check everything, every code logical way. So you can see that A is not declared, B is not declared for these two. Then again A not declared, B not declared for these two. So these are the four errors which are coming, and if I want to ignore them, we know that I will make option explicit off. So they will not be given to me. So this is how we can modify the checking of the compiler with the option explicit off. So this is the feature given by the .NET, that we can stop compiler to constantly checking our program into the .NET by using option explicit off.